Evening, everybody. Bobby, two pumps and breaks. It is Thursday, July the 15th. Break in, bond box, full size helmets, randomed off our 32 remaining box numbers. Got number 60. We did random team sales for this on your left. Teams and customers have been randomized and alphabetized. We gave you all a chance to trade. Not really many offers though, so here we go. Well, coming out with a big boy, guys. Very nice looking helmet and shit, man. I'm so sorry, bud. Well, damn it, Hawk. Bam! Going to be the Seattle hit, Hawk. Did you freaking have him or no? Damn it. Alright, I'm very sorry there, Hawk. DK Metcalf SpeedFlex, folks. It's one of the licensed versions of those. Beckett certification. On that, baby. Oops. We did have Seattle. Wow, well, that's going to be a pool boy hit. Well, guys, he bought enough damn spots there. I'm very sorry, Hawk. I'm sure that was the one you were trying to hit there. Bam, DK will be back next series, I do believe. Well, guys, he bought half of the darn blank there. Not surprising he got a hit there, folks. I'm very sorry, everybody else. Pool boy going to take the Metcalf. SpeedFlex, though. Nice hit for you, pool boy. Pull one of pulls out. Alright, here we go for your golden ticket qualifier, everybody. Man, what the shit is with these fours tonight? Tony, I get on a damn number and I just can't stop rolling a thing all night sometimes, man. 3, 4 times. Bam. Well, pool boy making the most of his spots, everybody. Gonna dominate that break. Took the qualifiers, took the helmets. That is going to wrap that up, guys. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, even over on Twitch, everybody. You all have a good one.